Hello, it's been a while since my last video, and there's a good reason for that. I've been trading more in the options market and crypto market lately, but I didn't have any results to show at the time until now. Here's an option trade I did in June, just to show an example. Now you may be wondering why I started even paying attention to the crypto market when I'm a stock day trader. The reason for that is because I witnessed a 21-year-old kid made over $100,000 overnight with only $20 trading Bitcoin. I have a full video about that real soon, so make sure to subscribe for notification of that video. Okay, in this video, I'll be talking about options and how to go about trading it safely. Most people are afraid of options because it's risky. They go about it all wrong. Options can be traded much safer than stocks. Now, if you don't know what option is, then you might want to watch a couple of videos on that or search in Google. I want to keep this video short, so I expect that you at least know what option is. A lot of people trade stocks but won't touch options because they think it's super risky. They're not wrong. It can be very risky if you go about it the wrong way and have options decay go against you. However, you can reduce the option decay effect or even have it go in your favor and trade options safely. The first thing you do is find a stock that you have an absolute conviction that it's either going up or going down, as you can trade call options or put options. Call options is bullish and put option is bearish. Once you have determined a stock direction, then you can apply a strategy to win the trade. The first strategy for trading options safely is only trade leap options and never trade short-term options. What I mean by that is never trade options with an expiry date within a couple of weeks or even 3 months. This is where you have decay works against you. Leap options definition is options with an expiry date out at least 6 months or more from the date of purchase. Leap options can buy you lots of time and minimize the decay effect to help surpass your strike price, hence reduce your chance of losing substantially. Unless you choose the wrong stock, of course, then nothing anyone can do. So choose a leap option with an expiry date at least 6 months away and the strike price as close to the current trading price as possible for a really good chance to win. The next strategy is selling options to have decay working for you instead of against you. Now you'll be on the seller side and decay is there to help you win. With this strategy, you only sell short-term options like a week to a month tops. In selling options, you have a couple of choices. Either selling cover call options or cash cover put options or naked put options, depending on what kind of trading account you have. Your chance of losing in selling options is very small. Some people even think that you cannot lose with selling options. I know you're a little bit confused right now, so let me go into details and explain. Let's talk about selling cover call options first. Covered call option is where you actually already own the stock. You're using your existing shares as collateral for selling options. Now, with a cover call option, you're selling options to collect a premium and your existing shares are used as collateral. You're hoping that the stock would not reach your strike price at the expiry date, so you can just keep the premium and still own the shares. Basically free money for you in this scenario. Two cases can happen in a cover call option. One is it never reaches your strike price and you just pocket the premium. The other one is it actually reaches or surpasses your strike price and you have to sell your shares. In either scenario, you still come out a winner. Now let me explain. In the case number one, you just collect the premium because it never reaches your strike price at expiry date. So free money for you. Even if you choose the wrong stock and it drops, you still collect the premium and still own the shares. You can repeat the process again, and of course, that's better than just owning the stock. Now in case number two, you're obligated to sell your shares that was set at a higher price because the stock trading price has surpassed the strike price. Because you're selling at a higher price than what you bought it for, you're making a profit. Plus, you also collect the premium too. Still will win. Now, if you'd like to own that stock again, simply just wait for the dip to buy it back in and repeat the cycle to collect more money. Now, can you see how selling options can be quite safe? How about selling puts? In selling puts, there are two ways. You can sell a cash cover put or a naked put using a margin account. Now, regardless how you sell it, it's selling a put. With selling a put, you're setting a strike price that's lower than the current selling price with an expiry date. If the stock price drops to the strike price or lower before the expiry date, you're obligated to buy the stocks. A lot of people use this strategy to buy the stock that they want to buy at a lower price, but actually get paid for doing so. For example, you want to buy ABC stock but think the price is a little too high right now. Rather than waiting for a dip to buy, why not get paid by selling a put option to collect a premium? If the stock dips to your strike price, then great. You just bought some shares at the price you like and actually get paid to do so. If not, then do it again and get paid once more. There are people that only sell covered call options and put options to make premium monthly income with the stocks they own. If they happen to get called on, they either sell the shares and then buy it back at the same price or lower. If sell covered calls or buy the shares in selling puts, then flip to sell covered calls because they now own the shares. Do you see how options can be safe and benefit you tremendously if you know how to use it wisely? I hope this video has given you some ideas to go about trading options profitably. If you found the information in this video helpful, then make sure to click the like button and subscribe to get notified of any new videos. Until next time, I see you in the next video.